Posting your products in social media is an effective way to increase your sales. No time to post your products on social media? Don't worry, with this application that I'm gonna show you, I'm sure you get your posts updated. So join me till the very end of this video. With this application, you can post on social media manually or through automations. This is a great help if you have many tasks to do and you often forget to post products on your page. The first thing you need to do is to add your social media business account on your application. You have here Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Bitly. After adding your accounts, you can already start posting in the Post Center. So on the Post Center, you have here three different sections. The first one is the auto poster, the second one is the manual post, and the third is your sent post. On the auto poster, this is where you can schedule your posts. So to create one, just click the create new button. And after that, you have to choose between these two, a random product poster or a weekly deal campaign. So let's say we would like to post a random product. You have here your campaign name. Set your campaign name, your page to post on if you would like to paste on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. So for now, we only have one added account, which is our Facebook page account. So this is the preview. You may instantly see how it would look like on your post. So your post scheduling, you may set here what time, set a time, and set if you would like to post every day. So for now, let's say we would like to post it on 9:47. Yes, 9. Now, the second thing you need to do is to select a collection, which product you would like to add or post. For example, the home page, the products on your home page. And customize the Facebook post template. So you have here your product title, your vendor name, and the price, and your product link. So if you are good with that, this is the preview. Just save and publish. You may also send test post. So you may be able to test this Post Studio application and how it works. So let's say we would like to send test post. So it has been successfully published. Now let's go to Facebook. So this is my account. So there you go. It has already been posted. So that is how it would look like in Facebook post. Your product title here, your business name or brand name, the price, and the product specifications, as well as the link where they can shop the product, which is very great because they will be able to shop directly from here. That's it in the auto posters. Now let's go to the manual posts. So on the manual post, you may edit the informations that you would like. So to create a new manual post, just click on this button, and either if you want to post a video or text and image. So the same thing, just select which one or which of your social media pages you would like to post it on. Select a product and select the photos that you would like to include. And of course, you may always customize your descriptions here if you would like to change it. You may add different informations. Now to schedule that, you have to select a time slot, which is in EST time zone. So just for example, you would like to select or schedule this on February 1st, then just select that as well as the time. So schedule post, and it will be created. So just wait for February and see if your page has a post of this specific product. On the sent post, this is just basically a statistics on how many posts is being done. So that's it. That's just basically how Post Studio works. So this is a great application to schedule your post on the different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Bitly. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. If you would like to install this application, I have the link on the description below, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye! Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!